I will never skip my morning juice again after learning this. Today, we're diving into 3 fantastic green juices that your gut will thank you for. First up, we've got the classic spinach and apple delight. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, this juice is like a hug for your tummy. Just blend spinach, apple, cucumber, and a squeeze of lemon. Voila! Next, meet the kale and pineapple powerhouse. Kale is a superfood, rich in nutrients and great for digestion. Mix it with sweet pineapple and a bit of ginger. This combo not only tastes amazing, but also keeps your gut flora happy. Finally, let's talk about the celery and green apple refresher. Celery is fantastic for hydration and detoxification. Pair it with green apple and a hint of mint. This juice is a game changer for gut health and tastes incredibly refreshing. So, what are you waiting for? Sip your way to a happier, healthier gut with these green juice recipes. Your stomach will thank you. Stay tuned for more wellness tips. See you next time.